Natasha. Yeah, storms came through this morning. If you're just getting moving, you missed them. They are out of here now, but the lingering clouds are still in place. Clouds will be breaking up here within the next hour or two. And once that happens, the sun shining, it's going to really ramp temperatures up to some near July-like levels. Doesn't look like it right now, but once the skies break open this afternoon, expect a very warm day. We're at 68 degrees right now in Philadelphia. It's warm. It's very humid. Dew points are in the mid to upper 60s as well. And there's that southwest wind at 10 miles an hour. Southwest flow is really what's going to help us warm up as the day goes on. So again, still some pretty dense cloud cover over the region. You can kind of see the back edge of it. Still a decent ways away. It is going to be clearing as we go through the morning hours, and then by afternoon, sunshine, high humidity, and feeling like summertime. Anything that came through this morning has pretty much cleared the coast. A couple of tiny sprinkles here and there, but most of us are dry. And let's take you through the next couple of hours. Again, here's right now, the clouds still in place. By 10 a.m., we start to see a little bit more of a break in the cloud cover. And then finally by 11 o'clock or noon, that's when the sun is shining and it really does start to heat up rapidly. 2 p.m., clear skies, everything looking good. A nice afternoon for the Phillies. It's going to feel like summer baseball out there. But then by tomorrow morning's commute, right around this time tomorrow, the rain is back, along with much cooler temperatures. So planning out your day, clouds around for now. Clouds start to break up quickly, and then once the sun comes out, we're jumping to the mid to upper 80s late this afternoon. Gotta enjoy it, Natasha. I've got some chilly air in the 7-day forecast coming up in just a bit. Back over to you.
All right, Kate, thank you so much.
We've had fog, we've had some showers and storms that came through this morning, and now we're waiting for those clouds to break, and it's going to be a hot, sunny, summer-like afternoon. Let's take a look at what's happening across the region. Again, storms came through. They pretty much cleared the coast after 8 o'clock, and now we are dry. You can see up in Bethlehem, we just saw seeing some shadows being cast here as the sun tries to peek through the clouds, starting to see a little bit of drier air, a little bit more sunshine there in Bethlehem. Still pretty cloudy down the shore, but brightening up a little bit. You can see some sunlight, some filtered sun glinting off the ocean water there. And we are going to be clearing out through the next hour or two and then really warming up, ushering in a southwest flow with temperatures in spots off to the south and west like Dover and Lancaster already in the 70s. Reading at 70 degrees, 68 here in Philadelphia, but you can see that southwest breeze has already started to pick up. And once clouds break, once we get that sun really fully shining, we are off to the races today. So it was a warm front that came through with the showers and storms this morning. There is a surface cold front that's going to swing through later this afternoon. And while that could bring some strong storms mainly off to the south or even over parts of New England, for most of us, it looks like the air mass is going to dry out enough overhead that I don't think we see much of anything this afternoon. So here's the big picture. Again, the best chance for severe weather is down to the south here. So on the tail end of this cold front, we've got a new low developing, and that is what's going to lift north and eastward tomorrow, bringing yet another round of showers and even a few thunderstorms. Visible satellite basically shows exactly where the clouds are in the region, and it's not loading for me right now, but we are going to be seeing more breaks in the cloud cover as we go through the afternoon. I think by the time of first pitch at the Phillies game, it's going to be bright and sunny. 82 degrees, beautiful summer-like weather. Feels more like all-star time, all-star break kind of weather here. Sunny and hot. I put in a 20% chance of precipitation just in case a shower or storm does happen to pop this afternoon. But again, I think the chances are very low. So still some clouds around for tailgating. But as we go through the afternoon, by the stretch and the end of the game, temperatures in the mid 80s. And our high today, a very warm 87 degrees. That's 15 degrees above average. Clouds breaking for sun, feeling like July. Then it clouds up again tonight and no more July-like weather after that. Tomorrow, we may actually hit this high of 70 at midnight, and then temperatures could level off and be in the 60s most of the day. Showers around at any time, and it is much cooler. So again, here's the big picture. Showers and clouds this morning, clearing out. We get drier air this afternoon, bright sunshine, and then here comes the next system. Warm front in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, rain pushing back into the region. Morning showers continuing through midday, and then as we get into the evening, we'll have to watch, especially areas off to the south. Any spot that gets any sunshine will be unstable enough that a few strong storms could pop, and that's especially over Delaware. We'll see more rain showers throughout the day Friday, and Friday's high is only in the 50s. Briefly brighter Saturday, and then we're right back to cool and showery on Mother's Day Sunday. Natasha, I'll send it back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you.